auteur, cinéaste, qui s'appelle Ryan Coogler.
I was at my first time coming to this festival was 2009, almost 10 years ago, and I had a film in a short film corner in an American pavilion, and it was my first time ever outside of the United States, and I really fell in love with the place. I would look out at the water, walk around and see everybody working on their films, dressed up in their tuxedos, but I actually spent a lot of time out here on the beach, you know, watching the films that would play for free. I would watch them over there, you know, I would watch them over here, so it really is, you know, coming full circle for me to be back in front of you guys with this film that means so much.